The Texas Department of Public Safety. The Texas Department of Public Safety is searching for Eva's mascot. He is Hispanic, male, 1-year-old. Date of birth January 21st, 2015. He is 30 inches tall, 34 pounds, hair brown, eye color brown, and last seen wearing a blue shirt and neckband. Police are looking for Edwin Roscon. Hispanic, male, 19 years old. Date of birth October 15th, 1997. He is 5 feet 10 inches tall, 190 pounds, brown hair, green eyes, and last seen wearing black jeans, a black shirt, and a white hat in connection with his abduction. The suspect is driving a Lunar Red 2006 Chevrolet Cruze or Malibu with a paper deck license plate with number unknown. The suspect was last heard from in the town of Andrews in West Texas. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Texas Department of Public Safety at 432-498-2130.